said Irish potato meals should be boring and just restricted to, boiled Irish and eggs, fried Irish and eggs, and all those things. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing one of the recipes with you, and I'm sure you will love it. Welcome, guys, to the channel. Let's explore together. As you can already see, I have my chopped Irish potatoes and some carrots. I have also some chopped chicken breasts, which I'm going to be adding straight to the bowl, some chopped onions, and then I'm adding broccoli. Yes, I know you didn't see that coming, but we're adding that. And now we have some salt, of course, the base seasoning salt. I'm just going to mix that and I'll add other spices. For a while now, I've been putting together a lot of Irish potato recipes, and that's because Irish potato is a staple here. Like, I feel like anytime there's no potato in my kitchen, it feels like I don't have food. You know, in boarding schools, when you're out of Gary, it feels like you no longer have provisions, even if you have biscuits and all that. So long as your Gary is out, it feels like there's no food. That's the same way I feel whenever I'm out of potatoes in my kitchen. So because of this, I've come up with a lot of recipes, like a whole lot of recipes. I have over 10 recipes that I'm piling up. In fact, you should have already seen some on the channel. If you have not, you want to check it out. You want to check out the channel and, just have a good time with some Irish potatoes. Don't be restricting yourself to just, the usual boiled Irish and eggs, fried Irish and eggs, potato salads, and all the common ones, or even porridge. There are a whole lot more recipes or ways you can enjoy your Irish potato. And in this one, I call this like go-to dinner recipe. Once you mix everything like done, I'm just going to transfer it now into my silicone baking pan, and then we'll move that to the oven. You know those days when you come back from work or something and you're just tired. At the same time, you just want to eat something really nice, relaxing, yummy, mouth watering, and all you need to do is mix everything at once. Chop your vegetables, mix them, season as you would like, toss it in your baking pan or baking dish or whatever, put it in the oven, go have your bath, refresh while that is cooking, and in a few minutes it's done for you to enjoy. It's ready now, as you can see, and it's the flavors all coming together for me, from the carrots, the sweetness the carrot released, the juicy chicken, being that it was cooked together with the Irish. Irish has some water content being released. The flavors, like everything came together really nice, and I hope that you will try out this recipe as well to enjoy this comfort food. So if you have watched this video to this point and you're not a subscriber, please, I want us to have a very serious conversation. Like, I'm serious. Don't mind the fact that I'm laughing, but this is very serious. Why haven't you subscribed? Yes, I'm asking you. Why haven't you subscribed? How do you put it in Yoruba? She kilo day. What do you want me to do? Please support my growing channel, guys. I need to start earning. I need to start earning from this channel. If you want to keep seeing my video, like this video, leave a comment, share it, and subscribe. So guys, I really do appreciate your support thus far, and thank you, because I know you are going to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned with me to the end. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.